effort today after that devastating loss yesterday. It was still a historic finish. Credit to CC, credit to Angel. But what are your thoughts going against this huge Australian lineup today?
Well, first of all, we want to give credit to Australia because they really gave us a good fight from the first game up until this last bronze game. We really had to prepare our best for them, and thankfully it went our way naman. You're right, this is a collective effort. I couldn't have done it by myself. Everyone really did their roles well, from every player on the court, on the bench, all of the coaching staff then, everyone was in sync talaga, so it made the job easier, and I'm just really grateful the win went our way.
Gia, you have been to several international competitions, but playing for country is always of a different caliber. What do you want to tell your supporters? They have been screaming your name inside this Coliseum today.
To all the Filipino fans, para sa inyo itong panalo na to. Para sa inyong lahat to, from here, everyone here in the arena, everyone at home, all the Filipinos around the world, everyone who has been supporting us since day one. Sobrang salamat po talaga para sa lahat. Yun lang po masasabi ko, mahal na mahal po namin kayong lahat.
Alright, maraming salamat once again, Team Captain of Alas Pilipinas, Gia de Guzman. Even I am getting goosebumps. Balisenyo, Miss Chicks Ayel.